Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome if you're new. So I've been seeing a lot of people on YouTube switch their wardrobe from winter clothes to spring clothes, and it's getting really hot where I am. So I thought, why not switch my clothes in my closet to spring clothes and some clothes in my drawers. So yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so I'm in my closet, not in, but like next to my closet, and these are all the things that I have to switch from my wardrobe. And this dress I love. It is a spring dress, and I thought I'd wear it today because it kind of goes with the video, and it's supposed to be really nice today. It's supposed to be 82, so I thought I'd wear it and show some spring stuff. And yeah, so let's get started. So I just finished in this first box, and all the clothes are right here. I'm already seeing some things that I'm thinking I want to sell on Depop because they're still really nice and good quality. And yeah, but most of this stuff is going to be going in my drawers, not my closet, because I don't think it's going to need to be hung up. So yeah, on to the next box. Now that I am done with all of those clothes, I'm going to be putting, I believe, this next container right here. I believe this is all like dresses and jeans and skirts and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna have to empty that one. Once again, I finished with my second box. This is just a costume that I had from a show that I did in middle school, but I kept it, so I might wear it as like a Halloween costume or something eventually. But yeah, and then these are all the clothes. I see a couple things that I want to sell in this pile as well, but not as many as in the shirts and things. But yeah. Alright everyone, now all I have to do is take these out and transfer the ones that I'm hanging up in here and putting the clothes that I want to have in my drawers, So yeah, that's what you're gonna do now. have one tub that's full from filling a little bit from the closet and from my drawers. So I'm gonna have to transfer it to the other one, and hopefully everything fits in both of these tubs because I still have a lot of clothes to go. So yeah. Alright, so in order to move faster, I took out some clothes that I'm probably still gonna be wearing during the spring, summertime because they aren't like too heavy like winter clothes. And yeah, so the rest of the stuff is just, I'm just gonna be putting it into the bin, and then I should be not done, but I'm done. I'll be done taking things out, and then I'll have to put things in. Okay, so I am sort of halfway done, but I already finished the second tub. So at this point, I think I might just put the clothes on my floor and then find somewhere to put them later because I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm done with my closet. The only thing I have left in here is a skirt, and I'm gonna be putting skirts in here anyway. And I have this really cute dress that I wore to a birthday party, so that's already like a spring dress that's in there. And then yeah, so right now I'm gonna be taking a lunch break.
3 hours later.
Alright everyone, so I just put all the clothes that I took out of the tub that I'm hanging up, the clothes that I'm hanging up from the tub. I just put those on the hangers, and I'm going to put them in the closet in color coordination, of course. My closet. It took me forever, and actually it didn't take forever. It took like 20 minutes, and then I spent some time organizing my clothes that I want to put in my drawers. Like I put them in color coordination and things like that. So I also forgot to say that this is how many more winter clothes I had, like this many hangers of winter clothes than summer clothes slash spring clothes. So I have a lot of winter clothes. That's probably why they're all stacked up everywhere. So I'm gonna have to find a place to put all of that. I organized my shirts. These are like my dressy shirts that have like designs and pretty stuff, and then those shirts right there are just shirts that I wear if I'm doing something like just exercising or doing something normal in the day. And then down there are my pants, like my shorts, and then over there is stuff that I'm donating or selling on my Depop. So yeah, I'm about to put all of those things in my drawers except for the stuff that I'm selling obviously and giving away. And yeah, then I'll be pretty much done for the day. Alright everyone, I just finished with everything. I finished my drawers and my closet and I'm done. I'm very happy that I got everything accomplished, and I'm just going to show you guys the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and follow my Instagram, which is at Christa's Fits and Styles by Christa. I will be putting the clothes that maybe I can't fit anymore, or just clothes that I'm not feeling as much. I'll be putting those on my Depop, and I'm also going to be donating some of my clothes to maybe a Goodwill or another consignment store. So yeah, it was really nice making this video because I know a lot of us may need some inspiration for clothing or organizational tips and stuff like that, because I know my mom would have asked me to do this anyway as like a chore, but it was nice to make it a video for you all. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all next Saturday.